Hello students, my dear students, we are doing the concept principle of mathematical induction means PMI. Now today we will discuss some problem related to PMI. Okay. Now first is if Pn is such that 3 raised to power n is greater than n. 3 raised to power Pn is 3 raised to power n is greater than n. Okay, where n belongs to natural number. You know, n belongs to natural number. And also given Pk is true, means if n suppose as q and suppose as k, therefore 3 raised to power k is also greater than k is true. Clear? Now we want to prove that pk plus 1 is also true. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. अगर हम n की जगह पर k plus 1 लेंगे तो ये रिजल्ट क्या होगा? ट्रू. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, PMI में आपको स्टेटमेंट क्या गिवन है? 3 raised to power n is greater than n. और अगर हम n की जगह k ले लेते हैं, it is also true. Now we want to prove that n is k plus 1 means pk plus 1 means 3 raised to power k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1. आपको ये प्रूव करना है 3 raised to power k plus 1 जो है वो किससे ग्रेटर है? k plus 1 से. Now we know it is true. If 3 raised to power k is greater than k, ये आपको गिवन है कि ट्रू है, और हमें इसको कन्वर्ट करना है 3 raised to power k plus 1 में. और इनइक्वालिटीज है, तो इनइक्वालिटीज में क्या करते हैं? सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड, आइदर डिवाइड. सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई हियर बाय 3. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 ऑन बोथ साइड्स means 3 raised to power k into 3 is greater than 3k, and you know 3 raised to power k plus 1, because the base are same. If base are same, then power will be add. Clear? Is greater than 3k, and 3k can be break into k plus 2k. My dear students, we have proved that 3 raised to power k plus 1 जो है वो एक्चुअली में किससे ग्रेटर है? k plus 2k से. ओके, नाउ इसको कंपेयर करना आप, जो आपको प्रूफ करना है उससे. देखिए ये हमारा मैच कर गया. नाउ k एंड k हमें प्रूफ करना है 3 raised to power k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1. अब बेटे ऑब्जर्व करना, यहाँ पर k है, here also k, यहाँ 2k है और यहाँ 1 है. तो you know if n is natural then k is also natural. k belongs to natural. तो you know every 2k is greater than 1 because k is natural number. When you will start with 1, then 2 into 1 is 2 is greater than 1, 2 to 4 is greater than 1. Clear? So we can write 3 raised to power k plus 1 is greater than k plus 2k, and k plus 2k is greater than k plus 1. So 3 raised to power k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1. Clear? So it is the solution of one problem of PMI with inequalities. Now let us see next problem. Now Pn is the statement 1 plus 3 plus 5 means all odd natural number. Odd natural number. Prove that sum of all odd natural is equal to n square, and where n belongs to natural. So we will prove it by using PMI. First of all, we will take n as 1. N as 1 means from left side first only one term, and from right side also n square means 1 square, that is also 1. Dear students, when we are proving 1, so in left hand side 1 n is equal to 1 means we will take only first term. In the right side put 1 as the place of n, then 1 square is also 1. Clear? Therefore n is equal to 1 is true. Now we assume that n is equal to k is true. So if n is equal to k is true, now pk as 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2k minus 1 is equal to k square. 2k minus 1 is equal to k square. We have assumed it. Okay. Now we want to prove that n is k plus 1. We want to prove that n is k plus 1. So pk plus 1 is 1 plus 3 plus 5. Now where k, we will write k plus 1. Either you can say where n, we will write k plus 1. So 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 equal to k plus 1 square. Now we want to prove this part is equal to this. So we will refine it. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 into k plus 1 minus 1. My dear student, you know just before 5 is 3, 3 just before 1. So same here, just before k plus 1th term, we will write 2 as a k plus 1. just before क्या लिखेंगे आप? k minus 1. just before k plus 1 हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? Either you can say 2k minus 1, 2k minus 1. So just before 2 into k plus 1, so just before 2k minus 1. Okay, you can say this part. So we will take left side of this part. Left part is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2k minus 1 plus 2k plus 2 minus 1. You know this part is equal to from first से आप ऑब्जर्व करना, ये पार्ट किसके इक्वल है? k स्क्वायर. So k square plus 2k plus 1. Okay, you know it is the a square. 1 can be written as 1 square. A square b square 2ab. It means k plus 1 whole square. Or here in RHS also k plus 1 whole square. So we can write by using PMI. It is true for every natural number. Now let us see next problem. Now our problem is 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus 2n minus 1 whole square is equal to this part, where n belongs to natural. natural. So dear student, first of all we will put n is equal to 1. So in case of P1, left hand side is only one term, that is 1 square, and you know 1 square is 1. Or in RHS we have 1 into, we will put here 1, 2 into 1 minus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3. 2 ones 2, 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1 by 3. 1 into 3 upon 3 means only 1. So our n is equal to 1 is true. Clear? Now we assume that n is equal to k is true. हमने सपोज किया अगर हम k की जगह n ले लेते हैं, इट इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. आइदर n इज इक्वल टू, हम क्या पुट कर रहे हैं, k. सो pk इज 1 स्क्वायर, 3 स्क्वायर, 5 स्क्वायर, 2k minus 1 square is equal to k into 2k minus 1, 2k plus 1 by 3. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट, हमने क्या किया, n की जगह क्या सपोज किया, k. नाउ यू नो वी हैव 3 स्टेप. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल n is equal to 1, then we assume that it is true for n is equal to k, and then we want to prove that n is equal to k plus 1. So in third step we want to prove that n is k plus 1. Therefore our pk plus 1 is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square and 2 into k plus 1 square minus 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 whole square equal to k plus 1, 2 into k plus 1 minus 1, 2 into k plus 1 by 3. Now we want to prove that this part is equal to this. We will refine it. You know 1 square, 3 square, 5 square plus 2k plus 2 minus 1 square, and just before this term we have 2k minus 1 whole square. जैसे 5 square से just before कौन सा है, 3. सेम here 2 into k plus 1 से just before क्या आएगा, 2k minus 1. क्लियर, 2k minus 1. कीप इन माइंड कितना डिफरेंस है यहाँ पे, 3 के बाद 2, 2 का गैप है ना, तो ये वाली टर्म है k plus 1, तो ये वाली हमारी कौन सी है, 2k. तो डिफरेंस बाय 2k plus 1 and just before term is 2k minus 1 square. Now is equal to k plus 1, 2k plus 2 minus 1, 2k plus 2 plus 1 by 3. Now 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 2k minus 1 square, 2k plus 1 square, k plus 1, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 3 by 3. एक्चुअल रिफाइंड रिजल्ट ये है. अब आपको प्रूफ करना है दिस पार्ट इज इक्वल टू दिस. तो यहाँ मैं आपका एक डाउट क्लियर करूंगा. यहाँ देखिए आपको लगता है ये 5 है, ये 3 है, ये 1 है. आप यहाँ 2k plus 1, 2k minus 1 की जगह यहाँ एक्चुअल टर्म आ गई हमारे पास. देखिए आप, ये है 2k minus 1 here, 2k minus 1, और ये कौन सा टर्म है, 2k plus 1. ओके, यहाँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 है और यहाँ क्या है 5, तो 3 और 5 के बीच में 1 टर्म का गैप है, डेट इज 4। तो सेम हियर 2k माइनस 1 और 2k प्लस 1 के बीच का टर्म कौन सा है, 2k, बिकॉज 2k माइनस 1 में 1 ऐड करेंगे तो 2k आएगा और 2k प्लस 1 करेंगे देन 2k प्लस 1। क्लियर हुआ ना? सो ये आपकी टर्म कंटिन्यू है। क्लियर? नाउ अब हमें ये पार्ट इसके इक्वल प्रूफ करना है। वी वांट टू प्रूव दैट लेफ्ट इक्वल टू राइट। सो इन लेफ्ट साइड दिस पार्ट, first we take a left hand side in which 1 square 3 square 5 square plus 2k minus 1 whole square 2k plus 1 whole square. Now you will observe this part from first is equal to, we will write here k into 2k minus 1 2k plus 1 by 3 and plus 2k plus 1 whole square. We will take here as LCM 1. Now we want to prove this part is equal to this. ये माइंड में रखना, ये ऐसे वाला है, हमें ये प्रूव करना है इस पार्ट को। तो हाउ विल यू सॉल्व? Taking LCM, you know LCM is 3. So here k into 2k minus 1, 2k plus 1 and 3 into 2k plus 1 whole square. Now what is common from both? You know 2k plus 1 is common. 2k plus 1 is common. तो क्या रहेगा रिमेनिंग, k इंटू 2k माइनस 1 प्लस 1 पावर आउटसाइड आ गई, ओनली 3 इंटू 2k प्लस 1 अपॉन 3। ये प्रोडक्ट सोल्व कीजिए, 2k प्लस 1 2k स्क्वायर माइनस k प्लस 6k प्लस 3 बाय 3। इसको रिफाइन करेंगे, 2k प्लस 1 2k स्क्वायर 6k माइनस k 5k प्लस 3। नाउ इसका फैक्टर बनाएंगे, 6 मल्टीप्लाई 5 सम आए, तो यू नो 2k स्क्वायर प्लस 2k प्लस 3k प्लस 3, 2 plus 3 5 and 2 3 6. Now what is common here? 2k, so k plus 1, here 3 is common, k plus 1, so our result is k plus 1 2k plus 3। आप कॉमन ले, यहाँ फैक्टर बनाएंगे तो रिजल्ट क्या निकलेगा, 2k plus 1 k plus 1 2k plus 3 upon 3. So our left equal to right. So dear student, you can prove by using PMI all the conjectures or statement where n belongs to natural. Now let us see next example. Now dear students, next problem is, we will prove it by using a PMI. So first put n is equal to 1. So P1 is in left hand side only first term, or in right hand side 2 into 1. We will put 1 as place of n by 1 plus 1. 2 upon 2 is 1. Clear? Now 1 is equal to 1 means our left hand side equal to right hand side. So therefore n is equal to 1 is true. N is equal to 1 is true. Now we assume that n is equal to k is true. हम क्या assume करेंगे, n is equal to k is also true means we will put n as k. So 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k, and equal to 2k upon k plus 1. Clear? It is 1. Now in third step, we want to prove that n is equal to k plus 1. So our pk plus 1 is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3, and last is k change into k plus 1. Okay, and just before this term 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k. Okay, if it is k plus 1, then just before is k, equal to. Now we have written here n is equal to k plus 1. So we will put here k plus 1 upon k plus 1 plus 1 means 2 into k plus 1 upon k plus 2. So dear student, taking left hand side, 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2, 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k, and 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k plus 1. Dear student, from first this part is equal to 2k upon k plus 1. You can write from first, and plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k plus 1. Okay. In class 10th you have done AP. Okay, in AP sum of n term formula, that is you have done sum of n term. Sum of n term is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So same here, we have one term in types of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k plus 1. Okay, it is our last term. It is first term. A is 1, L is k plus 1, and D is 1. So your one formula of n term is n by 2 into a plus L also. N by 2 into a plus L. So where n is k plus 1. N is k plus 1. Okay. N is k plus 1. And either you can say formula is number of term. First we will find number of term. Here n term, now here x plus 1 term. Here n term, here 1 plus 2, 3 plus up to n. So same here, n is k plus 1. So our formula is n k plus 1 by 2 into a plus l, means k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2. So in next row, 2k upon k plus 1, and its result is k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2. Here 2 in divide, convert into multiply. Okay. Now you can take LCM. K plus 1, k plus 2, so 2k into k plus 2 plus 2 into k plus 1. Now you will solve, multiply. Now 2 is common from whole. So interior is k into k plus 2 plus k plus 1 upon k plus 1 k plus 2. Solve its multiplication. K square plus 2k plus k plus 1, and you know 2k plus k, 3k. You know 2k upon k plus 1 and 2 upon k plus 1 k plus 2, we have taken LCM k plus 1 k plus 2, where 2k into k plus 2 plus 2 into only k plus 1, this part only 2. We have only 2, means if 2 is common, 1, here also 1, here 2k plus 1. Now it is whole square of k plus 1. So k plus 1, k plus 2 cancel, 2 into k plus 1 by k plus 2, that is RHS. Clear? Is equal to RHS. So my dear student, we supposed a left part. In left part 2k upon k plus 1 plus this term, and sum of n term formula we get 2 upon k plus 1 k plus 2, taking LCM 2k into k plus 2, or here only plus 2. Now 2 is common from whole, then k into k plus 1 plus 1. Okay, k square plus 2k plus 1, it is whole square of k plus 1. Now 1 power cancel. Now we have 2 into k plus 1 upon k plus 2. So my dear student, it is also example of PMI, either you can say solution of a conjecture by using PMI. Okay, next problem. So my dear student, in the next problem you will solve or try. Okay, such type examples means from element you can do 10 to 15 question, and also example also. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.